Meaning of chamber. Chamber is a noun that usually means a room, often a private, official, or special purpose room. It can also refer to a legislative group or a compartment inside something, like a gun or heart. 10 daily use example sentences. 1. The king held meetings in the royal chamber. 2. The judge entered the courtroom from his private chamber. 3. He was called into the council chamber for discussion. 4. The heart has 4 chambers. 5. They explored the hidden chamber inside the pyramid. 6. The Chamber of Commerce met to discuss business plans. 7. He loaded the bullet into the chamber of the gun. 8. Her office is in the main chamber of the building. 9. The parliament has an upper and lower chamber. 10. The sound echoed through the empty chamber.